Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Amazon gift card on Paxful. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Open up a web browser and type in paxful.com into the search box and enter. Make sure you're logged into your Paxful account. Once you are, right where you can see the Buy tab, go ahead and select the asset that you'd like to purchase. Now, where you can see Select Payments Method, click on Show All. Select the gift card option from the tab in the pop-up. Now click on Amazon gift card option and type in the amount that you would like to spend. You can select your currency from the drop-down and finally click on Find Offers. Find the best offer for yourself and click the Buy button. In order to redeem your Amazon gift card, you'll need to enter the amount one more time that you're willing to pay and click on Buy Now. That way, you'll be able to redeem your Amazon gift card with Paxful. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.